in some more work. That's why I'm tell you, bro. We're not nothing to lose. You see me? We're not nothing to lose, bro. Bro, so I'm to when we used to wall out when nothing in the ground. So why we can't wall out when things start work now? Me have to left the... Listen, I know me left a girl, a girl left me. Me not grow on you. Because a girl go breed, me couldn't work with that, bro. A girl a breed and I call down my phone and call my mother, my stepmother, my mother, my father, everybody, my brother. Then me tell the girl, say, listen to me, me move on. Then tell me I have a girl. Me heart a bleed. Cold sweat wash me because me I said, John, no, come up here. A girl see me post with you and hype you up. K got ribbies all in place. Then tell me broke like dog. You see it? We got ribbies go by one. We call that Colorado. Where drink the name? Where drink the name?
Muscat.
No. Where name, man? Pina Colada. Yeah. But she want Pina Colada. Zane, spend my last. I have to call it. You know how much money me owe taxi man now, bro?
Chester.
No, not Chester. Chester? Chester? Yeah, man, Chester. Chester, right now, there's Chester to me right now. I send a piece of food go get Chester. The man that can go anywhere. Remember me I tell you something? Alright, here joke now. The girl left me, you know. For your next man will lie to him, you know. And she breed for the youth, you know. Zane. But the youth favor me. So everybody I think of me. So I don't know if a girl hate me. And when she have a pitney, and the pitney just favor me. So them I say, am I a pitney? And I but am I right out, daddy? It's stamp out, but here go on. Them say when you eat the poop, so when you eat somebody, and you breed, it pick the band and look like me. So here I go on, the girl realize that she shake up and I want to fall back in my life, you know. It not work, so. She go there with a security, you can the dog then tell him say my security in the car. Remember, you know, at the time when I tell the girl say she want to go to a party, me have a girl lock up in the house because I say I not have it for show. I not go out the road go flap myself. When the money I buy all 4 Moscato and 8 NEC, I can't afford 1. Me and my friend used to make up and buy Jagan. So all that I go work, you drink Jagan, you're a woman. A real thing. You know drink Jagan. Alright now I can buy 7 box of NECB and Moscato and whole heap of other things. You should have just wall out and everything would be alright. Remember, you know, I buy my first car, dog. Big swear. My brother them there as witness. You see when I pull up for God, because I say, I buy my first car plus me have money, same way. You know when you have money when you buy a car and license, same day, insurance same day, and still nice. I say you know when you have money. Boom now, that's why you have to humble in your life. Patient do it. Patient is key B. You don't know what I say now? Remember a girl when I take care right now, I give girl money if you go do ice up your body and you see me? Look good. I not like my influencer for bleach, but she ain't cool it. Girl start bleach and all hyper on me. See it? Me give girl look cream and the girl start hyper on me. She have a look at her she cock up. See it? But hairstyle now. Remember me there spend on this girl, you know, and the girl bun me and go breed for your next man. So when I see the girl the time I could even believe say she. I walk past the girl, I never know she. The man have a picnic on it. Pound a leash like it pitney a dog. She have a no, me not this or no, because you know me not that's the facts. She have a one big, what you call it, Wolf Creed bag. A Wolf Creed bag full of slippers and you see slippers I'm buy her for your birthday, I she have on. If you hate me so much, why you have anything that I buy you? The blows, my day they good. No, no lie, me not stop. It hurt, see me. Here I go on. I buy my car. I never expect me that come like God does work in so much ways. I pull up, boom, big song I play, because you don't know my style. My car cannot silent. My car, you have to know me forward. Boom, be a song, I poops and park up and her. Boom, no one. Jump out of the car, my dog them and say I go buy 100,000 out of grocery. Remember, you know, 100,000, you know, 100,000 of grocery in a normal. And them in a store. You know, say when we go, them see me, you know. You know what they do? It's why me a shop, then they wait, they go in a store before me.
I chase them make they go 100,000.
No, me not lie. Alright, me not grow this because I see them I actually got 100,000 out of grocery. Cause I really got them to go buy 15,000 out of grocery. But it's when I see them now, but I not buy 100,000 because I show them say, listen, you shouldn't wait. You see me go in the store, I can't see them. So I have a trolley full. So every time I go around, them a go around. So they each up in the last corner of the store. You see it? They each up weird in the store. So I don't want me to play in the trolley, you know. Yeah, pick go around. Then I pick up 2 pampers. They know what I say. You see it? I'm swear. I pay for a pack of pampers and left it. I'm tell the girl say, so when them pass, give them me. I shake up. I pay for a pack of pampers because I see them